Let's solve this absolute value inequality. We got 2 is less than the absolute value of 5 minus 2x. Again, it's in the wrong form. We have to have the absolute value on the left side, so I'm going to go ahead and move it to the left side. And I'll put 2 on the right side. Now, we can't lose the inequality relationship. Small end of the inequality opens up toward 2, so when I flip it around, the small end has to open up toward 2. Now, the absolute value is by itself on the left side. No numbers in front of it, no numbers after it, so it's perfect form. What's inside will be our P, and the other side will be our Q. Now, it's a greater than, which means this is case 2. And our formula says P is less than negative Q, or P is greater than positive Q. Now, everywhere we have a P, we'll plug in 5 minus 2x, and everywhere we have a Q, we'll plug in 2. So we've got 5 minus 2x is less than negative 2, or 5 minus 2x is greater than a positive 2. Now, we want to solve for x, so let's start with this first inequality. Take the 5 over, and we've got negative 2x is less than negative 2 minus 5. Combine together the numbers. Negative 2, negative 5 is negative 7. Then last step, divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is negative 2. And remember, if you divide by a negative number, you flip your inequality symbol. So this less than becomes a greater than. So we've got x is greater than 7/2. Now in this one, we'll take the 5 over to the right side. So we've got negative 2x is greater than 2 minus 5. Negative 2x is greater than negative 3. Divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is negative 2. And remember, we flip our inequality symbol, so this becomes a less than. So we get x is less than 3/2. And there's an or between them. Now let's graph this. 3/2 is right here. X is less than 3/2, so we'll have parentheses there and a shading to the left. Now 7/2 will be right here. Greater than, we'll have parentheses on it and we're shading to the right. So interval notation wise, this will go from negative infinity to 3/2. Parentheses on infinities. 3/2 will be a parentheses because this is a less than. If it's less than or equal to, it have bracket. And the 7/2 will also be a parentheses. And it's going to positive infinity. And that's our answer.